Transportation is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. Public transportation.
In my city, public transportation is very efficient, and I prefer taking the bus to work.
2. Traffic congestion.
Traffic congestion is a major issue during rush hour, making it difficult to get anywhere on time.
3. Eco-friendly option.
Electric cars are an eco-friendly option for reducing pollution in urban areas.
4. Traffic jams.
I always leave early to avoid traffic jams, especially on the main roads.
5. Flexible transportation.
Electric scooters offer flexible transportation for short trips around the city.
6. Public transport systems.
The public transport system here is well organized, with frequent buses and trains.
7. Reduce carbon footprint.
Switching to an electric car can help reduce your carbon footprint significantly.
8. Pedestrian-friendly infrastructure.
The city has invested in pedestrian-friendly infrastructure, making it easier to walk around safely.
9. Sustainable transport.
Cycling is one of the best examples of sustainable transport in urban environments.
10. Congested roads.
During the holiday season, the roads are often congested, making travel time longer.
That's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about transportation. What types of transportation do you use regularly? Do you think transportation is better in the city or in the countryside? Is traffic a problem in your city? How do you usually travel when you go on holiday? How do people commute in your country? How did you travel to school when you were young? Describe a mode of transportation you would like to try in the future. You should say what the mode of transportation is, where you would like to use it, how you would use it, and explain why you would like to try it. How has transportation changed in your country over the past few decades? What are some of the negative effects of a car-centered city? Should car manufacturers be responsible for the environmental impact their products have? Do you think public transportation should be improved? How? Do you think technology will change the way people travel in the future? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.